Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Exciting news, I finally got my 80% lower finished to where I can actually function test it. I haven't had a lot of free time. I've had a lot of side jobs come in, and this was just a project combined that I was working on in my spare time with my primary job and then doing milling, these side jobs. I just haven't had the time to get them done. So out here today, this is my upper off of my Daniel defense. Now, this is before Mr. Daniel went kind of batshit crazy a few months back. If you're in the firearm community, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But nevertheless, they still make an awesome weapon system. This has got the BCM camo rail and a micro T1